Hello students, we are going to see HSC board objectives of March 2022. Question number 1, attempt all the following sub questions. Objectives आएगा आपको 20 marks के लिए. The first sub question given is select the correct options and rewrite the statement. Marks are 5. The first statement given is to find out the net profit or net loss of the business dash account is prepared. The option given is A. Trading, B. Capital, C. Current, and D. Profit and loss. The answer is profit and loss account. Second statement दिया है, from financial statement analysis, the creditors are specially interested to know. Option given are liquidity, profits, C. sale, and D. share. The answer is liquidity. Third statement दिया है, death is a compulsory dash. ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है ए डिसोल्यूशन, बी एडमिशन, सी रिटायरमेंट एंड डी वाइंडिंग अप. सो द आंसर इज रिटायरमेंट. फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ है, द ड्यू डेट ऑफ द बिल ड्रॉन फॉर 2 months on 23rd November 2019 will be dash. Option given are A. 23rd January 2020, B. 25th January 2019, C. 26th January 2019, and D. 25th January 2020. Now student, इसमें हमें ड्यू डेट कैलकुलेट करना है. So the bill drawn date is 23rd November 2019. Bill is drawn for 2 months. तो इसमें हमें 2 months ऐड करना है. तो 2 months ऐड करने के बाद नॉमिनल ड्यू डेट आएगा 23rd January 2020 और इसमें हमें 3 days ग्रेस ऐड करना है. तो ड्यू डेट विल कम 26th January 2020. But since 26th January is a public holiday, तो हमें ड्यू डेट 1 day अर्लियर कंसिडर करना है. So the due date will come 25th January 2020. So the answer will come 25th January 2020. Last fifth statement is given, decrease in the value of assets should be dash to profit and loss adjustment account. The option given are A. debited, B. credited, C. added, and D. none of the above. So the answer is debited. So ये first sub question था. The second sub question given in March 2022 is write a word, term, phrase as a substitute for each of the following statements. So it is again of 5 marks. The first statement given is debit balance of trading account. The answer will come gross loss. Second statement दिया है, expenses incurred on dissolution of firm. Answer is dissolution expenses or realization expenses. Third statement is given, old ratio less new ratio. The answer is sacrifice ratio. Fourth statement दिया है, officer appointed by government for noting of dishonor of bill. The answer is notary public. And fifth statement दिया है, donation received for a specific purpose. The answer is specific donation or special donation. Now we are going to see C sub question. It is given answer the following questions in only one sentence each. So it is also carrying 5 marks. The first question given is, what is legacy? The answer is any assets, property or amount of cash which not for profit concern receives as per the provision made in the will of the donor after his death is called legacy. The second question given is, what is CAS? The answer is CAS means computerized accounting system which help business firms to implement accounting process and make it user friendly with automation. The third question is, who is called insolvent person? The answer is a person whose liabilities are more than the assets is an insolvent person. Question 4th is given, what is reserve capital? So answer is reserve capital is that part of subscribed capital which is reserved to be called up only at the time of winding up or liquidation of the company by a special resolution. और लास्ट क्वेश्चन दिया है, what is revaluation account? The answer is an account opened and operated by any partnership firm for recording changes in the value of assets and liabilities to ascertain profit or loss made on revaluation of assets and liabilities is called revaluation account. Or D sub question is given, complete the sentences. It also carries 5 marks. It is filling the blanks without option. So the first sentence is given, partnership deed is an dash of partnership. Answer will come agreement or return agreement. Second sentence दिया है, Aurangabad University prepares dash account instead of profit and loss account. The answer is income and expenditure account. Third sentence दिया है, return outwards are deducted from dash. The answer will come purchases. Third sentence दिया है, new ratio minus dash is equal to gain ratio. The answer is old ratio. और सबसे लास्ट सेंटेंस दिया है, cash receipts which are recurring in nature are called dash receipts. The answer is revenue receipts. So these are 4 sub questions which carries 4 marks each. और चारों भी सब क्वेश्चंस आपको कंपलसरी अटेम्प्ट करना है.